Let's take off the Stellar Falcon Rear Rack. With a 4mm Allen key, undo all the screws that connect to the fender and the rear rack. There will be washers with the screws, so make sure you don't lose them. Clip the zip ties connected to the rear brake wire and then unplug it. Deflate the tire to make it easier to remove the rear rack. Be sure to push down on the rear rack upon removal. This ensures that the rack will not scratch the frame. Congrats! You took off your rear rack. Now, let's put it back on. Before we begin, make sure the tire is deflated. Squeeze the tire and route the fender through the frame. You will need to use two hands to get to the second tab through the frame. With the 4mm Allen key, tighten the screws onto the rear rack. Then tighten the screws onto the fender and frame. Inflate the tires again before we start wiring. Connect the rear brake wires together. Use the zip ties to secure the brake wire inside the rear rack. Be sure to clip the leftover zip ties. You can use the mounted holes to route the zip ties. And that's it! You have successfully put on your Stellar Falcon rear rack.